builders. I just want to give you an update on our 51 by 10 Acadian. Things are moving along really well. You can see cedar shingles on the outside. Some nice big windows, lots of light. We'll walk around, have a look inside. This unit has the rock wool insulation installed. We started installing the tongue groove boards on the interior. The electrical rough-in was complete, of course. We'll walk down the hallway here. This is the hallway to the master bedroom. There's some pocket doors being installed here. We don't have the kits in yet. Washroom, skylight. Large master bedroom. This will be the living area, kitchen, and down here in the end is the laundry room. That's it for today. I'll give you an update in a couple weeks. Have a great day.